Snow Stormer. HW Off-Road Hot Wheels, new 2015 model. Metallic blue with black fenders. And a pearl white bumblebee base. No, there's no bumblebees involved. I just thought I'd put it in there for special effects, like I usually do when I am running out of things to say. But you know what? I've done over almost 7,000. I've done over 7,500 of these things. So, gosh, man, I'll never run out of things to say, man. Well, so long for now. On we go.